Hello, in this lesson I demonstrate how to calculate the time between two dates. This will be done with a function called DATEDIF. It is used to calculate the interval between two dates in years, months, or days. Let's get started. This scenario has Queen Elizabeth II's birth date and her passing date. The DATEDIF function can now be deployed. Equal to DATEDIF, introduce your opening parenthesis. This function does not come with any syntax guide, unlike several other functions in Excel. However, it is simple to use. Begin by selecting the start date. Insert a comma. Select your final date. Introduce another comma. Then select Y representing years, or M for months, or D for days. So you close the bracket, press enter. I then copy down the formula and have my results in months and days. And so if you intend to calculate the number of days, months, or years you have spent on Earth, you can insert your date of birth as the start date and the current date as your end date. It is important to know that Excel does not recognize any dates before the 1st of January 1900. So assuming I replace this 1926 with 1896, then it's going to return a value error. Hope you found this lesson useful, and thanks for watching.